Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last week I said we had a Diwali. Like don't mind what I'm wearing. I'm just very casual at home. And Phoebe came to say hi to you guys. Hi everybody. I had a great Diwali and I want to share that with you guys. Well, she had a great Diwali, though she's yawning right now. But I want to tell you what an amazing day I had. Though we couldn't vlog all the time because we had too many guests coming over and there were so many things going on here that I won't be able to show you everything because I couldn't record all of it. But Phoebe, can you be a little interesting? Can you be excited? Like, I'm saying you're excited and you're yawning here. This is so sad. Anyway. So we had Diwali celebration on Chote Diwali day, that is one day before the Diwali. So you would think if we are celebrating Diwali, we will have a spread of amazing North Indian cuisine or a spread of great vegetarian food, but no, not in Kavi family.
क्या कर रहे हैं?
हम आज दिवाली में खाना बना रहे हैं पर दिवाली है इसलिए हम लोग सब नॉनवेज बना रहे हैं. So for the Diwali celebration we had split the group into few sections. One was the decoration team, that was Shweta and Jensa, that is Jesna's, these sisters need to change their name, Jesna's sister. So they were the in charge of decoration. I was the in charge of food because I love cooking, and Jesna was in charge of entertainment, well, which she did quite a lot. And Kannan was just an overall wherever there is less staff, please come here. So he was in the kitchen, he was decorating, he was doing everything possible. And then we had another man who could manage to work during that chaos. We were all going crazy and this person was in his room and working. Papa? What are you doing?
Okay, thank you.
Phoebe wasn't in charge of how bored I am. Hey Phoebe girl, how are you? Are you happy? I don't think so. So we had like starters, we had momos. There is this brand, I forgot the name, but I'll put it, like I'll link it below. They have great momos. Like if you want to throw a party and you don't know what to give as a starters, and if a lot of people like momos, this is a great alternative. If you don't want to go to the market and buy it and you want to like just steam it and serve it to people, this is a great option. Then we had kebabs, we had steak, we had prawns fry, Malabari prawns dry fry, and we had some salad just to make the vegetarian community feel little welcomed. So we had some salads, and then we had prawns curry, Thai prawns curry with rice, and for main course there was mutton biryani. Can you believe that? Wow. And all that was done by yours truly. And then we had decoration planned, and it was crazy because we had no idea in the beginning what we wanted the house to look like. But then I had a dream that I wanted these curtains to be like, you see those on Amazon and everything like Mirchi light curtains or something like that. So I wanted that. I was planning to buy them, but Shweta was like, hey listen, we can do it, we'll DIY it at home. So we did that. And then of course they made rangoli, a small cute one, which was later spoiled by this superhero.
हम दोनों में से कौन है? Sir, let up for that. ആ താടിയൊക്കെ വേണമെങ്കിൽ പഠിച്ചൊരു ക്യൂട്ട് ബോയ് പോലെയാ ഒട്ടുമില്ല ഫേസ് ക്യൂട്ടല്ല
I don't know what they are trying to do. ये क्या हो रहा है?
ये गाने नहीं चला सकते ना क्योंकि राइट्स नहीं है. അപ്പൊ നിങ്ങളും മ്യൂട്ട് ആവല്ലേ മന്ദബുദ്ധികളെ. गुड जॉब एवरीबॉडी, गुड जॉब. ऐसा लग रहा है शादी हो रही है अभी. किसी को हल्दी वल्दी भी करानी है. मैंने
यही करना है सब.
यही कर लो अभी कर लो.
वेन्यू पैसे ले लो एक दिन का रेंट.
अच्छा बांध लो पहले.
उस साइड बांधेगी अब बहन जरा खींच के बांध.
नहीं तू बांध श्वेता, इसका कोई भरोसा नहीं है. अरुण भी आप बांध दो. അവൾ കെട്ടാൻ അറിയില്ല, അവൾക്ക് അയക്കാനേ അറിയുള്ളൂ. ഇല്ല ഇത് പിടിപ്പിക്കുന്നില്ലേ?
ഇത് ഫീബിക്കല്ലായിരുന്നോ?
അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടെയാ?
എന്താ ഉദ്ദേശം? और वो मल्टी कलर वाले इങ്ങനെ സൈഡിൽ അല്ല ഹൈറ്റ് ഉള്ള ആളെ എന്തിട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നത്?
ईगो से ऊपर नहीं ना, ईगो से ऊपर थोड़ी है. उसके बीच में उसको स्नैपचैट करना है. मतलब दिस जनरेशन है
ये सारे लाइट्स अगर ऐसे से डाल देंगे हैं, ये अगर पूरा लाइट से कर देंगे आई थिंक ये इतना काफी होगा. इसमें और अब दुपट्टे दुपट्टे की जरूरत नहीं है. अले व्हाट डू यू से? ആരെല്ലാം കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ ഞാൻ ഈ പറയുന്നത്? ഹലോ
Hi, we're making some Thai prawns curry with lot of cream.
God knows how it will come out.
അങ്ങനെയാണ് ചുമ്മാ ഇരുന്ന്
तेरे बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ, बिना देखे हमें बोल रहे वापस. बट एडी इच्छे ने से डांस मास्टर വേറെ എന്തെങ്കിലും പറഞ്ഞു. ബട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ
നിർത്തിരിക്കുമ്പോഴേ ചെയ്യാറുള്ളൂ.
അടുക്കള പണി ചെയ്ത് അർച്ചന ബാ കം ഓൺ.
You know, it's so amazing when everybody comes together and just spends time together and DIY the entire thing. Like everybody is putting in effort to do something. Jensa was recording throughout. She was in charge for videos. So she was recording. She did the time lapse and she did everything else.
രംഗോലി അങ്ങനെ ആയിക്കോട്ടെ.
And then my Kudara Vesham I changed and I dressed up for the occasion. We all cleaned up really well for the Diwali event. when Jasna is there, there is one thing that people will do for sure.
उधर जा जस्ता
हाँ बाकी है ना जैसे वो रील पूरा सेट करके आई हो
Jasna cannot stop dancing. She in future she wants to be a nurse, and I really wonder what is she gonna do with the patients. Like sometimes I really wonder that at work what is she gonna do, because she has music going on in her ears all the time. So we made reels. To check the dance reels, you have to go to Jasna's Instagram account to check the dance reel that I made with Kannan Ashwin. You have to check mine Instagram account, and yeah, like you know, Jasna's mom also danced in that reel, and it was so adorable because she is the most expressive dancer I've seen. Like the daughter got her from the mother, and she is better than the daughters. So that's amazing. So we forgot to end the end the recording, and it recorded Jensa doing what she's best at. So this was our Diwali vlog. It was I know it's very, like it didn't cover everything because you know it's so difficult to organize, to do these things and shoot, because I can't multitask. That's something I have realized. I remember they were like, oh, I was telling them a day before that, oh, I'm gonna cook this and I'm gonna vlog it throughout the time and everything, but when I'm in the kitchen, I'm like, everything stops. Like I'm focused and I want to just like make sure that everything is right. I need to understand, find a balance between recording and doing my work, like vlog, like send it to you guys and to vlog. I know a lot of people are gonna say, why are you not speaking in Malayalam? In the comments below, I would want you to tell me, like, how can I include non-Malayalis and Malayalis in my YouTube channel? Like, how do I do that? Please let me know in the comments below. And I hope you liked the video. Please, before you leave, please, you little one, please subscribe. Please like the video, because my mama is the cutest. And a baby, please let the world know that I'm being very active nowadays. I'm doing my best, guys, and you have to appreciate and you have to stand by me. So please tell that to everyone and please be with me. So this is Diwali vlog. I hope you all liked it. Oh, Mera baby, aren't you not the cutest? Am I not the cutest? Are we all not the cutest? So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will I'll see you next week. Bye.